In today's fast paced world, our minds are constantly overwhelmed. We are always connected but rarely present. Notifications, deadlines, and digital distractions keep our minds in overdrive. But what if I told you that peace isn't a place, it's a practice? Welcome to your guide to meditation, what it is, why it matters, and how you can start today. What is meditation? Meditation is more than just sitting in a silence. It's a centuries old practice of training the mind to focus, to be present, and to observe thoughts without judgment. It's originated in ancient spiritual traditions, but today is used by people from all walks of life, from monks to CEOs to students. Meditation is an ancient practice that trains your attention and awareness. You learn to tune in, not out. You observe your thoughts and feelings like passing clouds, not things to fight or fix. Why we need meditation? Modern life is noisy. Our brains process over 60,000 thoughts a day, many of them repetitive, ancient, or negative. This constant stimulation puts our nervous systems into overdrive. We experience stress, sleeplessness, irritability, and forget how to just be. That's where meditation steps in. It reduces stress, improves emotional regulation, boosts focus and creativity, and over time, it physically rewires the brain. In short, meditation isn't just a wellness trend, it's a scientifically backed tool for mental and emotional health. Types of meditation. There isn't one way to meditate. In fact, there are many. You don't need to sit cross-legged in silence for hours. Let's explore a few types. Mindfulness meditation. Watch your thoughts and bring focus gently back to the breath. Loving kindness meditation. Send thoughts of compassion to yourself and to others. Body scan. Bring awareness to each part of the body and relax deeply. Mantra meditation. Repeat a word or phrase like Om or Peace. Walking meditation. Focus your attention while moving slowly, feeling each step. And now, if you ask which is best meditation out of these, the answer is the one that works for you. How to start meditating? Starting is simple. You don't need fancy gear or a guru to start meditating. Here's a 5-step beginner routine. Number 1. Find a quiet place. Number 2. Sit or lie down comfortably. Number 3. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Number 4. Focus on your breath in and out. Number 5. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. Use a timer. Try a guided meditation if that helps. And remember, consistency matters more than duration. Myths and misconceptions. Let's clear up some myths. First, meditation means emptying your mind. False. You observe thoughts, not erase them. Second, it's only for spiritual people or monks. False. Anyone can do it anywhere or anytime. Third, you have to sit cross-legged for hours. Again false. A chair, bed, even a walk will do. Meditation isn't about perfection. It's simply a way to train your mind to be more present and aware. Building a habit. Make meditation a habit by pairing it with something you already do, like brushing your teeth or morning coffee. Track your progress in a journal. Use free apps like Insight Timer, Calm, or Headspace. Start small, stay consistent, and be gentle with yourself. You don't need to go to the mountains to find peace. It's already within you. Meditation is your daily reminder to slow down, breathe, and just be. It's not about becoming totally a different person. So, take a deep breath and begin. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.